Hi, my name's Brian. I'm the owner of Quartz Carpet USA, and I'm here to talk to you about some of the frequently asked questions that we get on a regular basis. What is Quartz Carpet? Quartz Carpet is a seamless stone flooring system that combines natural quartz granules with a clear resin binder that is UV stable to create a comfortable, durable floor system for any place inside or outside of your home. Quartz Carpet is getting more and more known and seen as a viable option for all of your flooring needs. It is the most comfortable flooring type you could ever experience. It's like walking on a cloud. It is so soft and comfortable, it is unreal. When people are walking on this floor barefoot, they can't believe that it's actually stone. It is that soft. Quartz Carpet can be installed in almost any place inside or outside of your home or business. We typically install Quartz Carpet in dining rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, showers, really any place in the home where you're looking for a solid surface. We also install on top of concrete and pool decks, walkways and driveways. Quartz Carpet is the ultimate solution to bring you true elegance and style that is comfortable for you and your family and guests. I hope you enjoy these videos. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.